The City of Hamilton and BermudaNightout.com presents the most electrifying hypnotist on the planet, Cyrus the Hypnotist, on Saturday, August 24th at the Earl Cameron Theater, City Hall. Doors open at 8 p.m. Also featuring Bootsy and belly dancers from Fusion Fitness. There will also be a free after party at Margaritas for ticket holders. Tickets are $30 and can be purchased at Last Night's Boutique, Guilty Pleasures, Kid and Caboodle, or online at bdatix.com.
That was an incredible show. Best show ever. Unbelievable.
Best show ever. It's amazing. Yeah? Amazing. It was just really, really good show.
Good. Well, I'm glad you liked it. Fun. Great family fun.
It's always a great show. It's really funny, full of laughs. Enjoyed it.
This event is sponsored by Gosling's, Four Ways Cottages, Margaritas, and graphic designs by Tushai Ming. Be ready to be amazed. Be ready to laugh. Be ready to be blown away.